love balloons, mini flowers, hearts from Hobbycraft. These are from the pound shop if you live in England. They're in the Poundland. Got some ribbon, you can get this from anywhere. This one's from Tiger. Balloons from Hobbycraft. There's some leftover coloured balloons that I already had. And I got these flowers from the pound shop. It's really good. We got some leftover silver balloons. And also this hula hoop, which is perfectly already like covered. And this cost me £2. So the first thing that I'm going to do is blow up the balloons. I want them quite small. So yeah, I'm just going to blow up a different range, more reds than anything, because that's kind of the theme I'm going for. So predominantly reds and a few pinks and silvers. So this is what I've blown up so far. I haven't blown up a lot because I don't think I need a lot. If I need any more, then I can just blow them up. So what I'm now going to do is tie them into twos and kind of just build around the bottom, because I just want it to go along the bottom to help it balance. So I have one like that, and then they're all different sizes, all quite small. None of them are too big. So we're just going to put these together and see what we can come up with. So what I'm doing now is, once they're in their twos, I'm just literally placing them around this. You don't even have to, if you can slot them between the balloons, you don't even have to tie them in too tight. And then they just should slot in like that. You can twist them, the balloons around each other, just to make sure that they stay secure. So we're going to keep doing that, build it along the side or either side. See, we'll adjust it as we go, and then just see how that looks. So I'm very happy. This is what it's turned out like so far. I'm glad I added the darker pink ones in. They do kind of complete it. I am now going to add my accents to it. So the roses that I bought, I'm going to slot them in between the balloons. I also got some hearts. So basically just going to play with the decoration, add it in where I feel fit, and see how that comes out really. Just had a little malfunction, had a little issue there. I popped one of my balloons at the bottom. One of the red ones actually, ones that were most important, but we move. Just be careful when you're putting these in, because they are wire. And just slot them in where you feel that they need to go. So this is the base. So you've got the flowers in there. And if you fiddle them around, then it should be able to stand by itself. This will look lovely on a bed, or as a way to, or a gift. You can carry it like that. From here you decide what you want to do. So I've got these hearts. So I've got five of these hearts. So you can either suspend the hearts from the bed, or I've got this, 6 of these hearts. I've got this love balloon that I got from the pound shop that you can just stick across there. Balance it for now. So it's just like that. So I'm going to try different things. You could even dangle some ribbon from it. Improvise it how you desire from here. Alright, so this is how, well, one of the options you could do. So how I've made this one is just by getting 2 of these, and then I'm using sellotape. I think the best option would be a hot glue gun, just to glue them together. This is looking very semi-permanent, but it's just in case I change my mind. It's just for the purpose of this video anyway, so I can pull them apart if I need to. Do these 2 together, but before I do that, I'm just going to put a little slit down here just so that I can feed in the invisible thread. Well, it's more or less invisible. You can kind of see it on there. It's as invisible as you're going to get. Clear thread. And just do one slit on one side, feed it through the one side, and stick the 2 sides together. Then just tie it onto the hoop using the thread. Just tie it on. Mine is, this is the one that I use. Sorry, ignore my dirty hands. It's from the balloons. Merlin Invisible Friend, 200 meters. I've got like 3 of these. But yeah, so if that's the style you want to go for, very beautiful and cute, and any girl would appreciate it, then that's what you can do. So this is the finished product of this particular design. Might add a bow. It's very cute. If you wanted to, you could also use this as a vessel to carry a box, gift box. As well as the other design, there's also using balloons. I got, well, the one balloon for £1 from the pound shop, and just attaching it to the sides using a hot glue gun, or you could use sellotape or anything really just to keep it secure. And that is the perfect centerpiece if you're having a Valentine's Day event, or if you want to gift it to a loved one with a gift, or even by itself. It's pretty. So yeah.